Welcome to our course on social media marketing. This is Chapter 1, Part D. So let's begin. In social media marketing, ethics and best practices are crucial factors to take into account. Here are some essential ideas to bear in mind. 1. Transparency. Be open and honest about your identity and the causes you support. Any content or collaborations that are sponsored must be made clear. 2. Respect users' privacy. Do not gather or utilize users' personal information without their permission. 3. Honest advertising. Avoid making exaggerated or deceptive claims in your advertising. 4. Fair competition. Avoid using dishonest or false tactics that could harm a competitor's reputation.
5. Respect copyright. Obey copyright regulations and refrain from using protected content without authorization.
6. Show sensitivity. Be mindful of social and cultural sensitivities and refrain from sharing material that can offend particular demographics. 7. Keep track of and reply to comments and messages on a regular basis and promptly and professionally address any issues or complaints. 8. Comply with the terms of service. Keep track of the terms of service for each platform you use, since they may change from time to time. Businesses may make sure that their social media marketing initiatives are moral and responsible, while also preserving a positive reputation with their target audience by following these best practices. The terms of service of the platforms they are using won't be broken by their campaigns as long as they adhere to these best practices.